We all use AI every day, but how does it actually work? In the next 8 minutes, I will explain 9 simple ideas behind almost every AI tools you use today, like ChatGPT, image generators, all of them. No math, no complicated words, just simple ideas, one at a time. First is the tokenization. This is the very first step when you type something to an AI. Say you type walking in Paris. To you and me, these are just normal words. But the AI starts by chopping your sentence into small pieces, like walking becomes walk and in. Each of these little pieces is called a token. Next, every single piece gets assigned a number. Why? Because computers don't read words, they only understand numbers. So, really, the AI is reading numbers, not the words you type. To wrap it up, tokenization splits your text into small tokens and gives each one a number. Think of barcodes at a store. The cashier doesn't read apple juice, they just scan the barcode number. Tokenization does the exact same thing with words. Next, we have text decoding. This is how the AI chooses each word when it answers you. When the AI writes, it doesn't actually know the next word, it guesses. It looks at all possible options and gives them a score based on how likely they are to come next. Here, the word the has the highest score. Now the AI has to make a choice. It can play it safe and always pick the top word. Or we can tell it to pick a surprise option from the list to make the writing feel more creative. And it repeats this gazing game word by word until the answer is done. Number three is prompt engineering, which is really just a fancy term for how you talk to the AI to get a better answer. A solid prompt usually has three clear parts: the task you want done, the context of who it's for, and the format of how it should look. The clearer you are, the better the answer will be. Here are two quick tricks. Few shots means giving the AI a few examples first. Chain of thought means asking it to think step by step. So, by just giving the AI clear instructions and examples, it performs much better. No coding needed, just clear communication. It's exactly like briefing a new employee. Asking them to write an email is too vague, but asking for a short, polite apology email to a customer gets you exactly what you need. Number four is AI agents. While a standard AI can only write text, an agent can actually go out and get things done. Here is how the loop works. The AI makes a plan, it uses tools to act, it looks at the result, remembers what happened, and repeats the loop until the job is finished. And these tools can be anything like searching the web, running code, or sending an email. So an agent simply wraps the AI in a loop for planning, acting, and remembering. Think of a personal assistant. They don't just give you travel advice. They go search for flights, booking the tickets, and reports you back. Number five is RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. The name is scary, but the idea is very simple. First, you ask the AI a question. Before it answers, the retriever goes and searches through your files, PDFs, or databases to find the exact pages that matter. Then the AI reads those pages and writes a response based on real facts. So RAG finds the right documents first, then answers using real evidences instead of just guessing from memory. It's like an open book exam. You look up the right page, then write down your answer using the book in front of you. Number six is RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. Again, a big name, but it's just how we teach the AI to be polite and helpful. To start, the AI generates two different answers to the same question. One is helpful, another one is confusing or rude. Then a real human looks at both and picks better one. Over time, a judge model learns what humans prefer. We use that judge to train the AI to give more of those helpful answers, repeating this loop thousands of times. So humans rank the answers, a judge learns the preferences, and the AI improves to match. It's just like a chef learning from customer feedback. You keep cooking the dishes people love, and you stop making the ones they don't. Number seven is VAE, or variational autoencoder. This is a smart way AI uses to create new pictures. First, one part of the AI shrinks an image down into a tiny summary. Then another part takes that tiny summary and rebuilds the full image. Here's the magic part. If you tweak that tiny summary just a little bit, you get a brand new image that has never existed before. So one part compresses, one part reconstructs, adjusts the summary, and you generate new art. It's like making a simple doodle of an apple, then using that doodle to draw a detailed, slightly different apple. Number eight is diffusion models. This is the technology behind tools like DALI and Midjourney. During training, the AI takes a clean photo and slowly adds static noise until it's a blurry mess. It learns exactly how that noise was added, then to generate a new image, it does the exact opposite. It starts adding pure random noise and slowly cleans it up, step by step until a sharp picture appears. In short, the AI learns how to denoise, start with random static, clean it up, and get a new picture. It's like I'm scribbling a drawing. You start with random scribbles and slowly turn them into a detailed sketch. Last one, number nine, is LoRA, low rank adoption. It's a quick, cheap way to teach a big AI model a new skill. Big AI models are massive, and retraining them from scratch costs a fortune. So LoRa locks the original model, keeping it frozen, and bolts on a tiny add-on. The difference is huge. Instead of training billions of parameters, LoRa only trains a tiny fraction, about 100 times less. So freeze the big model, add a small adapter, and learn a new skill with way less compute. It's like a doctor taking a weekend course on a new technology. They don't go back to medical school, they just add one specific skill on top of their current skill. And that's all nine. These nine ideas are the foundation of almost every AI tool you use today. Now you know exactly what is happening under the hood. Thanks for watching.